guys, kiddos, come back. Now you know how to collect data through measurement. ಹೈಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯು ನೋ ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಿಕ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಡೇಟಾನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪಿಕ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ನೋ ರೈಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಆನ್ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೊ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ದು you can also do, right? So all these things you learned here in 7th lesson. Now it's time for practice. The height of 5 students of class 2 are listed below. 5 students do illi height list madidare. Observe the table and answer the following question. Duke has 99 centimeters of height and Vansh is 105 centimeters, Joel is 90 centimeters, Joshua is 90 centimeters and Varun is 85 centimeters. ಇದೇನಿದು height, ಇಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು in centimeters have been given. Who is the tallest among them? Now tell me, who is the tallest, which is the big number here? Yes, Vansh is the tallest here. Then which two boys are of equal height? ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal height ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 90. Joel and Joshua are of equal height, right? Joel and Joshua. Who is the shortest among them? Shortest, that means the height should be less. 85, that is Varun is shortest among them. Now Rima goes to bed at 8:30. 8:30 means 8 pass agide half, that is 8:30. She was sure that she went to bed before all of her classmates. And in short itu, she went to bed before ಅವ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವಳು ಮಲಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹರ್ ಮಾಮ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನಂದ್ರು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಸೊ ರೀಮಾ ಡಿಡ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಶಿ ಶೋಡ್ ಅ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಅವಳೇನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲು? ಅವಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮಲಗ್ತಿದ್ಲು? ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅಟ್ 8:30. 8:30 ಅಂದರೆ 8:30. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಥಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಬೆಡ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ compared to all other her friends, but her mom denied. ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಗ ಮಲಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಶಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮಲಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಶೋಡ್ ಅ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್. ನಾವು ಶಿ ಶೋಡ್, ಅವಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಿಕ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ನಾವು ಟಿಕ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್? ಟೈಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ 7:30. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 7:30 ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ 7 ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ 7:30. 7:30ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಲಗ್ತಾರೆ? 2 children. How? Because one head is equal to 1 child. So 1 child 2 children, ಇಬ್ಬರು 7:30ಗೆ ಮಲಗ್ತಾರೆ. At 8 o'clock 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 members will sleep at 8 o'clock. 8:30. 8:30ಗೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 members will sleep at 8:30. 9 o'clock 3 children sleep at 9, and after 9 o'clock ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ 2 children will sleep. Okay, so now how many children go to bed at 7:30? 7:30ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೆಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಐ ಮೀನ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್? 2, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? 2 3 8. 2 is the right option. How many children go to bed at the same time as Rima? So what is the time that Rima goes to bed? Rima goes to bed at 10:30. So where is 10:30? Here. Yes. How many children go to sleep? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 children go to sleep at the same time as Rima, isn't? Next. How many children go to bed after 8:30? 8:30 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲಗ್ತಾರೆ? ದಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ 9 or 9 ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ 8:30 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಟ್ 9 o'clock 3 will sleep, and after 9 2 will sleep. That means 3 + 2 is 5. 5 will sleep after 8:30. How many children go to bed before Rima? Rima sleeps at 8:30, right? So before that, 8 o'clock and 7, how many children will sleep? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children will sleep before Rima. How many children go to bed after 9 o'clock? After 9 o'clock, only 2 children will go to bed. Okay, clear? Next, Mark's list of English test is given below. Go through the list and answer the following questions. So, Kriti Sharma has scored 76 out of 100. Vrinda Datta has scored 82. Samir Mehta has scored 53 out of 100. Rajan Bhandari has scored 72 out of 100. And Jasmine Kaur has scored 76 marks out of 100. Who got the highest marks in English test? Vrinda Datta has scored the highest marks. Write the name Vrinda Datta. Who got the least mark? Least andre kammi, ellakinta kammi Samir Mehta. Which two students got the same mark? Same mark, 76. Kriti Sharma and Jasmine Kaur has scored the same marks. What is the difference between the highest and the lowest marks? What is the highest marks here? 82 is the highest, and what is the lowest? 53. Difference eshtiде? 82 minus 53 is 12 minus 3 is 9. So here remaining 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 29 marks is the difference. 29 is the difference between the highest and the lowest marks. Clear? Now, Supriya wants to give the flowers to all the persons in old age home. She buys the following flowers given in the table below. Old age home andre alli yaru irtare? Old age people irtare. So old age home alli ellarigu she wanted to give flowers. So she buys. So she buy lily 5. Rose 14 rose tagotade, 8 jasmine, 21 tulips and 3 lotus she bought. Now, which flower is maximum in number? Of course, tulip. Which flower is distributed least in number? Ellakinta kammi irodu lotus. How many total flowers are distributed by Supriya? Total flowers is to distribute madidavಳು. You have to add it. Okay. As kiddos, have you ever noticed that your parents making list at home? For groceries, for other things, they'll make list. So just find out, ask your parents, just intro them that for what do they make the list. Okay, and you have to make the list of all the things that you carry to school. Okay, and use the list, and you have to use that list. A list use ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು check ಮಾಡಿ, so that you should not forget anything to bring it to school. Okay, and then you have this activity, and one more thing, you have a project work. List the names of your classmates in your notebook. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೂ ಲಿವ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಮದರ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಂಟ್, ಅಂಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಕಸಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರೋ ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನಂತೀರಾ? ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತೀರಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು note down. Who lives in a nuclear family? Nuclear family is a small family. Only father, mother and children lives. Yeah. Out hesru kuda you have to write down. Who lives in a single parent family? Single parent family andre either mother or father. Appa athwa amma. Ibru irodilla. Parents are nothing but mother and father, right? Single parent is either father or mother. Okay. Ibralli ಒಬ್ರು ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So make list of those students. Okay, and then you have to write how many students are living in a joint family and how many in a nuclear and how many students are living in a single parent family. Do this in a chart paper and send me. Okay kiddos, so you have to write all these things in your notes and you have to send me. And this ended your mathematics of grade second semester. All the best kiddos, happy learning, do it soon.